Hello and welcome to Tech Edify. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate and use QR code for free. Now, whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone looking to simplify sharing of information, QR codes are a game changer. And the best part is you don't need to spend any amount of money to get started. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own QR codes and practical ways to use them in your everyday life or business. So just grab a seat, hit on that like button, and now let's get started. Now, to start generating your QR code for whatever that you want to use it for, there are so many websites that you can do that. So let's just quickly search for QR code generator on Google. Now, when you search on Google, you will see a lot of free and even paid ones, but I'm just going to show you the one that you can use for free. Just scroll down to QR code monkey. So this is what we are going to use. So let me just right click and open it in a new browser. So now when you come to the QR code monkey, now what is even QR code? Now the QR stands for quick response. That is an easiest way that you can share information, whether you want to use it for a contact, an email, phone number, SMS, or even if you have a Wi-Fi that you want to have this unique code somewhere so that anyone else can connect to it. So now when you come to QR code monkey, now here you can generate any QR code for any of these use. So here we have just URL, that is to create a QR code for a URL. That means if you have a website that you want people to scan to connect to your website, or a special unique URL that you want to use. I quite remember one of my friends was having a wedding, and their program, they didn't print enough of the program. So what we did was that we just uploaded the design of the program on Google Drive, and then we just linked it with a QR. So when they scan it, it can lead them to where the file is and they can download and access it. So we have URL. That means if you want to create a QR code for a website or to link it to any URL that you want to use. And then we also have text. That means if you want people to also scan a QR code to see a particular text, especially on some certificate, people normally use this one. That is, if you have this QR code, you can just put on a text and say maybe this is an original copy certificate of whatever. So this is a QR code to just display text. We also have QR code to display email. That is, if you want people to just quickly scan and now have email content, you can just put everything here. So we have it in different types. We have phone, we have SMS, we have VIN card, we have vacation, we have Facebook. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Even if you have an event and then you want to create a QR code for that. So here we're just going to use it for an event. Probably there are a lot of people who have event and they want people to get information about the event. So what you can do here is that you have to put in the event title. Now let's assume it's a birthday party. So let me just say Frank's birthday party. All right, so that's the event title. Now the event location, that is where the event is going to take place. You can just set out what your event location. You can be specific on the location. And now we have the event date. You can set out the event day. So yes, and then you can check the time as well. So you can set your time. So this is the start time and this is the end time. So it goes on and on with any of these types that you see. So depending on which one that you want to use. Now this is your QR code preview. Now you can customize this one here. So when you come down here, we have the colors. So the color that you want to use. You want to use a single color or you use a gradient color. A gradient means you can blend two colors for your QR code. So here we can just choose a single color here. So let's assume maybe I want to use some blue. Now if you want to see the preview of it, you can just generate it here and then you can see the preview of whichever that you are designing. So here we have a single color that is blue here. Now one thing is that you can even add a logo to the QR code, so whereby if you have an event and you are the event organizer, or maybe probably what you are using it for, you want to add a logo, you can just upload your logo here. So this is a spotlight of how the QR code image will be shown here. These are sample logos. So now we have the custom design. Now the QR code comes in different style. So we have the body shape. So the body shape is the default one. Probably if you want to use this one, you can just hit on it and then you can just generate it and see how it looks like. Now when you go down here, you also see the iframe shape. That is this shape you are seeing over here. So you can change it if you don't want it. So let me preview it and then you see how it also goes. So that is it. So you can customize it. Now we have the eyeball shape also. If you want to change it, you can do that. So here we have set out a QR code for this particular event. Now if you want to check the quality of it, you can set the slider. If you move it forward, that means you have a high quality. Here we just generate it here. So this is going to be our final QR code. So after you are done with everything, you can download it as PNG, or you can save it as PDF or any other format. So here we just have to download this thing. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. So with this one, I can print this one and then maybe place it somewhere, or maybe share it to friends that they can scan it. So when they scan it, probably they will have information about the event. So I'm just going to scan it and then you see the kind of information that will display on it. All right, so now here we're going to scan the QR code and see what information that it will give us. So I'll just launch my camera. So if you have any phone, you can just launch your camera and then you point it on the QR code. Now as you begin to point it on the QR code, it will show you information about that. So if you check at the top here, so that is it. So here we are seeing information of what we inputted in our QR code setup. So here is an event that is Frank's birthday party. The location is there, and then you can see the start date and then the end date. Now feel free and then start your QR code today. Now let me know in the comment section. So any challenges that you are facing in this QR code generation, please kindly put it in the comment section and I'll be right there to answer you. Now don't forget to share this video to help friends or families or relatives to also know how they can generate their own QR code and start using it today. Now see you in the next video.